Okay, I believe this is the last restore stop of the day. I will be out of town for several days, so I might be able to make additional stops another day. Crystal glass. Ooh, a new tone box. Oh. I don't know if I want it. Is this a Kodak? Don't think so. Oh, it looks... I think that's cast. I think that's Alaska. Laguna. If that was 20, I'd get it. Or if it was brown, but I already have those. I guess I could use these for the banana fan. I don't know if it's the right. Okay, that's it for today. But like I said, I might go to another one tomorrow. Thanks for watching.